Alright. Oops. There. The mist over everything. Don't feel like playing yet. I think I have to go far away. But this is quite a comfortable spot. Okay, here's another angle. Just looking over that way. Looking at you. Seeing how awesome I look. I feel weird sometimes sitting up too straight. You know, it feels a little bit false. There's an airplane overhead. It's my airplane. Coming to take me away from the winter. Impending winter's coming. So here's Mugat Tower on the rocks. I could come down there, sure. Let's do that. Let's do it as elegantly as possible. Okay. Looks like the cranes have stopped for lunch. So we're going to have a little bit of a... Yeah, this is better. It starts off like this.